Hello everyone. So today we are looking at the laser presenter by Setachi company. So this is the device here. So basically you can use it during your presentation to change the slides and have a laser pointer to point to the things you are discussing about. It came with this nice case for the presenter, and this is the charging cable and the user manual. So you can charge this device using the USB cable. It has a rechargeable battery. So this is the charging port, and this is the on off button on the side. On the device there are power button, and these are the next slide and previous slide button. So when you turn it on, so you can see this is the laser pointer, quite bright. To pair the device, you have to make sure you hold both the slide button for 3 seconds when the device is on. So let's test it out. I have a presentation open, so I can change the slide using this. I can do next, I can go back, I can use the pointer. So I don't have a projector right now at home, so I'm just showing it on my laptop. So it's mainly meant to use it during the presentations. So yeah, great device overall. Looks nice, easy to handle, easy to carry. Comes with this carry pouch. So looks great. It was easy to pair. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.